Good morning, YouTube. Today we are on our way to Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona. I'm Frank. This is Larry Outdoors. Stay tuned. Flagstaff. Well, we made it. We are walking up to the entrance. It's gonna be a great day. Beautiful weather. It's supposed to be a little windy, but it's like 65 degrees right now. Yeah, already seen a bunch of cool rigs. Got downtime lost truck set up right here, pretty sick with the 37s on it. Dude does not baby this thing at all. This guy's a celebrity.
What up, man?
Good to meet you, Curtis.
Nice to meet
Frank,
you.
Larry Outdoors.
Hey, okay. Biddy?
Yep.
37, right? 37?
I held off. I held off. I'm going to, though.
Next time.
I had to buy tires for his Bronco.
Oh, yeah. You have an OPS Bronco, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? I've been working on my dad's Bronco. He's a 1990 Bronco.
Oh, yeah. His is an 89.
So much easier to work on.
Yeah, for sure. These wheels are sick. Holy shit, this thing is huge in person. 37s. So badass. Dang, old school campers. Like the Bronco. And that thing is badass. It's oh, it's pretty much original inside still, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Super cool. You gotta go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Take a shit or what?
I am.
A few moments later.
Feel lighter?
Yeah.
That's good. Ready to eat?
No.
Soon. Yo, what's up, dude?
You are at the Expo here or no?
Yeah, we're here, man. We're over here by this big white building, like on the east side of it, closest to the water tower. Look around. Like, look. I don't know where you guys are at.
Here on the east side.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, I think so. There's like a... There is something like a living pineapple. Oh, there you are. See ya. All right, man.
Oh, okay.
Good to see you, man.
Where's Waldo?
Noah, how you doing, dude?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, dude.
How you doing? Pretty good, man. Good to see you.
Yeah, just one.
All right, so we walked around that whole expo already. We're getting ready to leave. Met up with some buddies. Probably gonna go camp with them. I'm gonna get something to drink. How you doing, Noah? What'd you think?
That was fun. They weren't giving out a whole lot of patches. They were giving out stickers, just not as much as last year. But there's a lot of cool stuff I want that I cannot afford.
I hear that.
Yeah.
I hear that. All right, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. And if you want to hang around, we're going to do some camping, and we'll see you there. Monahan in the Lamborghini.
That's a Porsche, sir.
Whatever. Crazy, huh? Shit. Where are we gonna park at?
That's a good question.
Is that Johnny Forerunner?
What's up, nerd?
Hey, how's it going, guys? Put your foot on the brake and take the e-brake off. There you go. Just straight back. You're good, straight back. Straighten your wheel out. There you go. You're good, you're good. Keep going. You're good, you're good. Okay, now stop and turn it the other way. Hard, hard. Straight. A little bit more. That's good. Good job, Noah.
It's a lot touchier than the Bronco, that's for sure.
I bet. So, this is where we're staying. We got all these Overlanders out here. Pretty cool spot. Oh my goodness, you probably can't see that on camera, but that is quite the view. I can probably pull forward a little bit more. Yeah. It'll level the truck out a little bit. Heck yeah. Look who it is! It's Noodle! Noodle! Come here, Noodle! Come here! Noodle! And Marley! Noodle girls! Oh. And the other white dog! Oh. Look at these dogs!
So you got your wing nuts?
Marley, come here.
How many are there? Just a couple?
What's up, buddy? How's it going?
Good, good. How you doing?
Good.
So guys, what's up? How was the expo? Oh man,
Frank.
Wait,
I know.
nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, man.
It was fucking.
Buy anything?
Got a 4.5 gallon Jerry fuel holder.
Fucking Federal Bureau of Overlanding right here.
This is about a $500 handshake right here. I'm a federal agent, so
Fuck off me then, dude. Fucking Fed.
look at me in the eyes.
Look at these guys. Oh shit. No.
Exactly. Which is why I was kind of bad.
Fucking Toyota's overheating all the time, huh?
Oh yeah.
Hey, earlier you guys were talking about how much you love Ford. I want to do something for you guys. Really? Look at it.
Oh, stickers of a Ford.
Thank you.
Awesome, dude. Thanks, man.
Oh,
Speaking of
Band-Aid.
which,
Yeah.
let me get you something too, dude. Yeah. It's like that one time I.
Can I make it up to you?
Oh, is this name brand? Oh, wow, dude. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I have a hug?
Wow. Yeah, sure. Thank you for helping the needy, man.
You're welcome.
What's going on over there? Was I there? I don't remember. Oh, really?
Yeah, we're all.
Good morning. Hey, you walk up to a dead truck.
Good morning.
You guys are gone nowhere.
I'm okay with that.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, so we woke up this morning, and sure enough, truck barely would even unlock. It was so dead. And yeah, turn that key there, and absolutely nothing. So this battery's like good, shoot, almost 4 years old. So, and it's looking pretty bad. It's pretty toasted. Going from 110 to 40 degrees overnight just obliterated it. What do you got there? You got a jump box?
Yeah.
Man, look at you. I forgot mine. Yeah, it looks,
Little dirty, my friend.
yeah. That battery's been cooking for a little bit. Monahan to the rescue. Is it up?
Yeah.
Boom. Just like that, he got it running. What would I do without you?
I don't know. It'd be scary, wouldn't it?
Yeah, thanks, man. She's alive. Cold or what? Everybody's packing it up, getting ready to leave.
Only if you do.
Me either.
Face value.
How'd you sleep?
That was cold, man.
Yeah.
I was in a hammock and it's not rigged up for winter. Like it was supposed to be a cocoon on the outside and I forgot it.
Oof.
So it was a little bit chilly last night. How about you guys?
Yeah, it got pretty toasty in there.
Yeah.
I've had the buddy heater on for a little while.
Oh yeah.
It,
I could have used a buddy heater in the hammock last night.
yeah. I ain't trying to walk around there again, dude.
You the main.